Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is How To Tech Tips, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to factory reset your phone. This will be like as if you're just got a brand new phone and you're just trying to set it up. Also, you can also do this if you're just trying to see if you're trying to just sell your phone or whatnot. Alright, so let's get started. So, first you're going to want to open your iPhone, of course, and then you're going to want to find your settings. My settings is right here. And then from the settings, you're going to want to find General, which is right there, right here. And then from General, we're going to want to keep scrolling all the way to the bottom. And from here, you'll see a reset. I'm going to click that. And then from reset, we're going to want to hit erase all content and settings. You see this little error. That's fine. And we're going to hit erase now. And then we're going to have to put our passcode in. I'll just do it off camera real quick. And then you'll have this come up. Delete all media, reset, erase, and then erase iPhone. I'll just start loading. Let it sit for a bit. Go play some video games. Go do some homework. Do whatever you gotta do. It's fairly pretty quick. But it can take some time. Patience is key. While we're waiting for this to load, just want to mention to you guys to subscribe and to like my video. This helps me grow my channel and lets me do more videos for you guys, more tutorials. As at first, I think that was just like a prepare. The first white screen, I think it was just like a prepare, getting the device ready, and then now it's erasing everything. I'll apologize for the brightness. It's pretty bright. And there you have it. As if you had a brand new iPhone. I'm going to open it. English, Canada. Going to set up manually. You're going to want to just find your Wi-Fi. It's mine. Should be connected. It's connecting right now. Don't Oh, it's not working, but that's fine. Basically, that's exactly what you have to do. Or if you want, you can connect to a computer. Oh, I guess it hooked up now. Next. And there we go. Set it up later, just for this video. You're gonna want to create your passcode. I'm gonna hit custom and then 4-digit numeric. I'm just gonna do something easy to remember. Then here we're gonna want to do your Apple ID. I'm just gonna do my own. Let it go real quick. Gotta allow 5, 3, 4, 4, 5, 8. There we go. Sorry about that. Just had to do my verification code. And then you hit agree. Patiently wait again. Get some coffee if it's the morning for you. And there we go. I'm gonna have to write to my passcode. I'm gonna disable the location settings for now. Set up wallet later. I'm gonna set all this up later. Don't share. Sure. You can do zoomed or standard. And there we go. Brand new iPhone. Just like that. So if you just had a factory reset by Apple. Alright, thanks guys. If you guys have any other questions or anything that you guys want to ask me, let me know. But for now, this is How To Tech Tips. Thanks for watching, and keep teching on.